In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete website from Cloudflare. Before we begin, a quick note on what this action means. Removing a site from Cloudflare disconnects it from Cloudflare's services, including performance features, security protections, and proxying. After removal, Cloudflare will no longer handle traffic for that domain. Make sure this is what you want and that you understand where your traffic and DNS management will live afterward. If you're part of a team, you may also want to confirm that you have permission to make changes to this domain. Let's get started. First, open your Cloudflare account in a web browser and sign in. This takes you to the Cloudflare dashboard, where you can see all the sites currently added to your account. If you manage many domains, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the one you intend to remove. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct domain. Removing the wrong site can disrupt visitors and services that depend on it. Click the specific domain to open its overview page. This is the central hub for that site, showing status, traffic, and key settings. We won't change any configuration here. We're just heading to the removal option. On the right-hand side of the overview page, look for the panel labeled Advanced Actions. This panel collects powerful options, so proceed carefully. Within Advanced Actions, select Remove from Cloudflare. When you click this, Cloudflare will prompt you to confirm. Read the message presented so you understand the impact, then proceed to confirm the removal. Once confirmed, Cloudflare begins detaching the site from its services. This may complete quickly, but the broader internet can take some time to reflect changes due to DNS caching outside Cloudflare. During this period, behavior may vary for some visitors, until everything fully propagates. If you manage production traffic, plan the timing accordingly to minimize disruption. If you don't see the Remove from Cloudflare option, you may be viewing a section other than the overview page, or your account role may not have the required permissions. Switch back to the site overview and check again. If it's still missing, reach out to the account owner or your administrator to review your access. That's all there is to it. You've opened your Cloudflare account, selected the correct domain, and used the Advanced Actions panel to remove it from Cloudflare. Thanks for watching, and take care when making changes like this. Being deliberate and double-checking the domain can save you from unplanned downtime.